All right, thank you so much. Good afternoon. Thanks for being here. I hope you are prepared for the next most fabulous 8 hours of presentation you're going to have. There is a shift in the behavior of the consumer as far as what they want to do in the banking space, how they do banking. Banks customers, credit union members are not only equipped with several mobile devices like smartphone, but they now expect to do self-service banking as well as have more control of their financial well-being. And this is what I think the technology I'm going to show may help us. Appriz is a mobile communications platform that enables bidirectional real-time communication between the user, the consumer, and the financial institution. It consists of two components, a mobile application and a cloud-based back-end systems. Users using Appriz, the users will be able to respond to fraud warnings, to notifications, to marketing promotions right from the iPhone. It works independently or integrated with your existing mobile internet banking application as well as with your internal fraud prevention system. In this brief moment that I have, this brief time that I have, I'm going to focus exclusively on the mobile application so you can have an idea how the user interact with the application. I'll be happy to talk to you about the back-end systems, afterwards in our booth if that's of any interest. This is the main screen of Appriz and contain the list of services available from My Alerts to fraud warnings, notifications, promotion, and a number of others. Okay? We are going to see some of them during this presentation, but first let's tap on the upper right corner because you're going to see a screen that you're going to see several times during the presentation. This is the Appriz message screen, where the users will see all the messages they have received regarding the alerts, the fraud warnings, the promotions, the notifications, and any other service they may have on the product. The banners on the bottom of the screen are used by the financial institutions to show the promotions that are currently available for their customers. So let's go back to the main screen and start seeing some of the services. The first service I want to show is My Alerts. My Alerts enables the user to control their own real-time transaction information. Important that in Appriz, the user creates its own alert by customizing a set of rule templates the financial institution creates. It's important to note the financial institution decides what are the rule templates that will be created in the application. Okay? So this is done by pressing the settings. On the settings screens, if I select My Alerts and I enter the PIN number, you're going to see the list of products that I have from the financial institution. This list is created by the financial institution, right? And can vary from an alert type to alert type. So I'm going to select My Checking 4850. Now you see the list of rules created by the financial institution that are associated with that specific alert. Now all rules in Appriz, they are multidimensional, taking consideration amount, time, and quantity. This is extremely important because now the user is no longer restricted to to analyze a single transaction, but rather they can analyze multiple transactions over a period of time. So let's take a look at the first rule on the top of the screen. This is a one-dimension rule based on the amount, right? This is the rules that today you see most of the financial institutions offerings as well as on the credit card providers, right? On the other hand, I want to focus on this rule. As you can see, this rule now analyzes multiple multiple transactions over a period of time. It will alert me when I have more than 5 checks cash in a period of 1 day with the aggregate amount of 1,000. If I want to customize that rule to create my own alert, as a consumer, the only thing I need to do is tap on the variables, as many as I want to change. For example, 500, change here to 12 hours, and at that moment, the system has already automatically updated that rule. So let's go back to the screens where I have all my message, because I want to show another important capability of the product. I can see more detail about any of those messages, being alerts, notifications, promotions, by just tapping it. The text is defined by the financial institution, how long we want to be. If I want to see the event, right, that caused that alert to be triggered, I just need to tap on the arrow on the right side. And then you're going to see that was the cause that alert was triggered. Moreover, if I tap on the available options, you are going to see all actions that I can take for that specific alert, right? So the list of options, or the option list, is defined by the financial institutions also, and it will vary depending on the alert type. So in this case, as a user, I can do all those actions. They can be as many as you define. I'm going to select block my account, and I will receive a notification message indicating that my request was sent to the financial institution for process. All done in real time. So let's go back now to the main screen, where I want to show just quickly a couple of other functions. And I will skip the fraud warnings for timing reasons. Let's go to notifications. Notifications are messages that describe all the financial institution products the user may have. And here you can see the list. You can select one of them, like certificate of deposit, and everything will work exactly as you're seeing in my alerts, with the same bi-directional communication. And there is one other service, promotions, that allow you to cross-sell your products using end-user message and the banners. Because of time, I would like to invite you to stop at our booth at the Innovation Showcase or at the Expo, so we can show you more details about the application. Thank you very much, and have a good show.